What's up, guys? I decided to do a review on the Boss Audio Onyx 15-inch subwoofer because I was gonna buy one of these and I did, but I couldn't find anything on YouTube about it at all. Nobody had anything on it anywhere, actually. But this is what it looks like. It has a plate that goes over this part so it doesn't look as ugly when you actually put it in the box. But that's what the front looks like, and then that's what the back looks like. I haven't had it in a box yet, but as far as I can tell, I like it. It's got the wire sewed into the spinner there, which you don't even get with a lot of the more expensive subwoofers. And it weighs pretty good amount. It's pretty heavy, actually. Cone feels quality, and same with underneath here. It's not no paper mache bullshit. So let's see some excursion. It's got a 3-inch voice coil, and it says it's 1500 watts max, but I mean 15 RMS, but no way could have handled that. I'm giving it about maybe 600 right now RMS. I'm going pretty easy on it right now because it is brand new, so I don't want to hurt it. But you know, as far as it goes, as far as I know right now, I'm happy with it. So thanks for watching.